Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the app language on the OKX Wallet app. So let's get started right away. Now, when you install the OKX Wallet application on your device, the application will automatically follow whichever language your system is based on. But if you wish to change this, then open up the application and make sure that you are logged into your account first. You can tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, which will take you into the settings page. Now, within this page, just look for the gear icon, which is the preferences menu. Once you tap on the gear icon, this will open up the preference menu. Now, at the very first option, you will find the languages. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can now choose from the list of various different languages that are available. Just tap on whichever language you prefer, and this will restart the application right away in order to change your language. And now you can start using the application with your preferred language right away, and you can repeat the same steps in order to change your language at any time in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the OKX Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.